Hello everyone, we have a new recipe. Today we are going to make Malabar style Nechur. Nechur is a Malayalam term which translates to ghee rice. A specific type of rice is used in this recipe, which is also known as kaima or jeeraga shalari. We can start our recipe with adding some ghee in the pressure cooker along with some oil. After the oil is warm, we can proceed to add our sabut masale, which are black cardamom, star anise, green cardamom, bay leaf, clove, and cinnamon. You can also add peppercorns. I didn't. Now let these masala toast a little bit in the oil. Now we'll add 2 cups of water for 1 cup of rice. As the water comes to a boil, we can add the rice which we have soaked for at least 1 hour and let the rice and water mixture come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, we'll close the pressure cooker lid and cook it for 2 whistles on medium flame. Once the pressure is completely released, we'll open our pressure cooker and we'll add our caramelized onions along with our fried cashews and raisins and mix this well. Once it is done, you can serve this yummy rice recipe with anything and everything, such as chicken curry, mutton curry, egg roast, matar paneer, veg kurma, and many more dishes. And you can even eat it as it is. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.